Hi guys, Conan here from LBC, here on a nice sunny day in Hemel Hempstead where we're cleaning a care home roof. It's day 3 of the project. We've already cleaned it all we can with our cherry picker at the front where there was access from the car park, and today we're doing some roof work and getting some abseilers in to clean the inaccessible areas.
This is an exclusive, LBC exclusive. We're currently in LBC's cherry picker and we're heading up to the flat roof. We've got the foreman here, Doomy. Morning, Doomy. How you doing?
Yeah, not too bad, not too bad.
What's today's job, man? The fans want to know. It's a big one.
Very nice job today. It's a big roof cleaning.
Big roof clean.
Low pressure washing.
Low pressure washing. That's a very big word. Low pressure. So yeah, we're just heading up. Doomy's taking us up to the roof here, as you can see in the background. Got all the harness on, helmet, health and safety, gloves.
Very lucky today, it's a nice day. And
it's a beautiful day, so vitamin D benefits. So let's go check this job out. Highly skilled, our foreman Doomy. Just a very smooth ride up here on the cherry picker. LBC's very own Heath Ledger. We pan round. It's a beautiful day, like Doomy said. Bright blue skies, and you can see here, as we're approaching the roof, we've got a couple of workers who are already well on the way with this clean. This was all cleaned yesterday. Very clean, and if you can see here to the left, that hasn't been cleaned, so you can see the comparison, early comparisons there. All that moss has now been eliminated and it looks like a brand new roof here. So LBC just chipping away at this nursing home. So you got Jim there, down there, just supervising, keeping an eye on things. The guys are going to be working on this side of the roof. They're just getting all the health and safety measures in place first. But they're going to be cleaning all along here and along here. As you can see, the health and safety measures here. These guys are all clipped. They're working on the edge of the roof, but they're all clipped in. Very, very safe. And now we've got the Mosmatic surface cleaner in play. We've got dual cleaning going on here. Oh, and who we got? We've got the big man, Conan. He's in the mix. This is an LBC exclusive, so we've got Big Conan, the director of LBC. Not only is he in attendance, overlooking the job, he's actually going to get hands on. People think that this guy is just a pretty face. No, he's more than that. This guy, he started from the bottom. He's a grafter. Conan the Barbarian, he's getting rigged up, gloved up, they're getting him strapped in. Let's get a closer look. Conan in action.
So we're halfway through the third day here on the Hemel Hempstead roof cleaning project. And as you can see, we've got a couple of guys over there and we're using the roof surface cleaner that we can lower down with the high pressure hose from the flat roof. We've also had to hire in some stillages, some weighted stillages, so that the guys can work safely when they're going towards the edge of the roof. As you can see, it's coming out really well.
So the guys are just working around this roof, just reposition the camera so we can catch the other side of the roof now. They're making very, very good progress. The team here at LBC, glorious day, and as you can see there, what a difference it's all making. Oh, a little gift from Big Doomy. He's come with the goods. Oh, little lunch break for the team. Let's see what we got. Boys are happy. Bacon, sausage, butties. Well deserved break for the team. What you got? Sausage? Bacon? No. LBC exterior cleaning. Making a big difference here. Bringing the roof back to its former glories, looking brand new. Just heading back down. We're just down here at ground level with Conan. Conan, what's going on?
Yeah, so Dimitri's going along underneath, cleaning down all the windows with the pure water system on the trolley there. We finished all this side of the roof, so now he's just cleaning everything down, making sure everything's nice and spotless before we hand it back.
There he is, Big Conan, mucking in, leading by example. Go on, my son. So not only have they got this specialist working at height crew up top, but they're also going to use their very own cherry picker coming into play now. So Doomy, he's just getting rigged, and we're going to see the LBC's cherry picker go up and away, do a bit of pressure washing.
guys, hope you like our cherry picker, and thanks because you're watching on our YouTube channel.
No, thank you, Doomy. And the fans have asked for one special thing. Can you
Yes, please.
smile for everyone? There it is. Thank you, Doomy. Take care.
A big thank you to Levente and his team at London Window Cleaners for their assistance with the working at height stuff on this job. And thank you guys for tuning in to another week's episode and another LBC transformation. If you're enjoying our videos, please make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment in the comments. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for more roof cleaning videos, and click here for some more pressure washing videos.